Yo, what's goody, man? I think I should maybe should I stay on this side? Yeah. I'm gonna stand over here. The glare, this shit is glaring, bro. Might I say? It's a beautiful Friday afternoon. November 7th. And yeah, man. I think I'm just gonna go over there because this shit is hurting me, bro. Like, let's just go sit over there by that rock. By that, I'm sorry, I won't get the view today. But, it's okay though. Because I can't even see myself in the video, you know? I can't even see myself in the damn video, bruh. In the damn video. But yeah. Let me see if I can set y'all nicely down here comfortably. Put you on this. Put you on this rock right here. Oh, y'all can't see me. Shit. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Can I put y'all like this? With the sun though, nah. We can talk like this. This is fine. Trying to get out the sun, you know. Well, I could put y'all there, right? Hey, nah. It's a risk. Cause if that shit falls. Wait, hold up. Give me a sec. With this for now. It's kind of hot today, so we'll make do with this for now. I mean, y'all can see me pretty clearly. I'm sure you can hear me pretty clearly. So yeah, hey man, I don't know what else to say, bro. Like, I'm just so grateful, bro. Like, every day, like when I wake up, like even now, I'm so excited now. I have that excitement where I can't even sleep, and it's that excitement that I had when I first made my 10K and realized that it's possible. And then I thought the next day the price would move the same way or whatever the case is. But I didn't understand shit. I didn't know what I was doing, keep in mind. So to be fair, it's okay though. So entered a trade on both UK 100 and German 30. Was floating like 100 and something dollars, I think, or 200. I'm not 220 something. I'll share it at the end of the. Oh, I don't know, but I was floating. I think today was the biggest win this week. This week has been so good. Price action has been proper. Price is actually trending to the downside, and yeah, man. And I'm here now, so I passed my funded account. That's basically that's it. I should just end the video here. Cut. I'm kidding. But yeah, man, I passed my funded account. Shit. And I told myself I was gonna do it. And I did. And like coming off last week's performance, it's like, damn, can I even do this? Because I don't want to blow it again and wait till month end. But ultimately I made back the losses, and then I went to pass my funded account. So now I just gotta go get the verification done so they can hand me a live account, and yeah, and then I can just take it from there, you know. There's really not much else to it. It was pretty easy setups, if I'm being honest, but every morning this whole week I've been just like winning, and it's all based off that one idea that I thought would work, and I tested out and it worked, based off like just purely price action, nothing else. No fair value gaps, no PD arrays, whatever they call that shit. I don't even know what that is. No SMT divergence, like nothing, bro. Just purely ICC price action, market structure. That's it, bro. And that's like, I'm so grateful that I have this skill now, and that I proved myself with the funded account that I can actually do it. Because I'm thinking, bro, what if it was like a live account? Like, what if it was like a real account? I would have made close to 10 bands, or more than 10 bands this week. I would have made like, half of my, okay, I would have made like, I would have almost replaced my salary. And it's like, damn, bro, I did this in a week. Like, what's gonna happen next week? You know, like, what if price just decides to continue? And I did the same shit. I did the same thing that I tested out on Monday. I did it the whole week, and it freaking worked. And I'm thinking like, hey man, what if it doesn't work now? You know? And it's like, but it's just reading price, bro. Like reading the charts, like reading what price wants to do. Is it struggling to move up? Just studying, looking at the candles and seeing what price is doing. Like where does it want to go? And I probably even hit my TP, but I closed before my TP hit because I already passed the account. Like what more do I need? I think I was like $1 up, but I made the 500. And it's like, damn, bro, I did that shit. Bro, in the span of 2 weeks of getting this account, the third time's really the fucking charm, bro. Damn. I still feel kind of normal. I still feel like, okay, now the real work begins. At least now I've got a funded account. I'm funded, and I gotta just keep at it, bro. I ultimately just gotta keep at it and do the same thing, keep the same discipline, keep the same risk management, and then just build, bro. Just build, and get to a point where I'll get a payout. I'll treat it like a salary. I won't wanna get paid every week. I'll treat it like a job, like a proper salary a month. And I'm getting 2 paychecks now, you know. And the whole month I'll be trading. Still keep living below my means. Still living sparingly, not living like, nah, I'm a baller now. I'm far from being a baller, but my mindset is there. But reality is still gotta catch up. So I still gotta put in the work, though. So, you know, it's just one of those things, bro. Like I don't even have an appetite again. I'm just drinking this because I'm gonna eat at home. It's like, damn, bro, I'm here now. It's crazy, man. 2 funded accounts alone. Third time's a charm, bro. It's honestly crazy, bro. It's honestly crazy. Like I can't believe that I'm here right now. I'm here, and I want to get home. I want to sort out. Actually, I want to do it now. Go back to work, just sort out the verification process, sort out everything, get everything done, get the verification done, and then they hand me my details. I log in and I just wait for the next week. I just wait. And keep in mind, I traded every single day this week. Price was just crazy this week, bro. But it's coming off last week where it was just ranging. It didn't know what it wanted to do. It's like, okay, I understand. But now at least I know how to read it and I can wait. So if it's ranging, I'll most probably see that, okay, I'm not seeing higher highs or higher lows. Everything's just stagnant. Unlike this week, price was just like moving swiftly, bro. So even if I don't trade next week, it's okay. But we never know what the market is. It can still buy up next week. And then, yeah, bro. It's hitting levels now that I didn't expect it to hit, to be honest. And it's like, damn. And it's like, I enter, like, it's so easy, bro. Like, I don't understand. Like, I don't understand. Like, I legit don't understand. Like, it's still yet to hit me. I feel like it'll only hit me, let's say, when I get the payout. But we'll see, man. Yeah, I don't want to rant to you guys, but bro, keep at it. Anyone ICC Mafia, bro, just keep doing what you're doing. Keep learning. Stay hungry. That's what I did. And yes, I got my first funded account. Most people get like 4 or 5 or whatever the case. But this is coming from someone who's never passed a funded account. I've failed 2 of them. I passed my 3rd one. I wanted to pass it at the first time. It flopped. I wanted to get this. I got the 2nd one and I failed that one as well. Oh, I would have made it, but then I still didn't know what I was really doing. Thinking back now and how my mentality was then, and that was like a few weeks ago, or like last month, and how I am now, it's like, bro, there's such a gap from the person I was and how I used to trade then, or I still trade this or ICC, but how I see price now then compared to how I see price now, like once I got the click, like my growth, I feel like my growth just expanded exponentially, and it's like, bro, like I just hit the ground running, bro. Like I just hit the ground, like it just all started making sense. And I thought of getting funded account and just over leveraging and just so I can get a quicker payout, but it's like there's really no, that's actually bad advice. I saw this from this guy on YouTube. I don't know his name, I forgot. He's like, yeah, you want to get a funded account and you want to go heavy on the risk so you can pass it faster, then you get a payout and then you get another one. It's like, but bro, like take your time, bro. Like the whole point of YouTube, like the whole point why I got a funded account is to keep trading, testing out my theory, testing out how I see price, with the possibility of actually getting money out of it, instead of, okay, I bought the account, I paid it, so now I've still got more room to trade. Because if I had blown that money that I had, I wouldn't have been able to test out the theories in real time, rather than just back testing, forward testing with demo. So essentially I was trading demo. This whole time I was trading demo on pairs that I want to trade, because on demo accounts I can't demo trade German 30. I can't demo trade. Okay, here in SA you can't. Like you can't demo trade indices. You can only demo trade forex pairs, gold, and I don't trade those pairs. So it's like, no, I can't just demo trade. Okay, I can demo trade on TradingView, but nah, bro. I want because I'm gonna be using MT5 most of the time. I sometimes analyze on there and whatever the case is. I set my TPs there, so I don't want to just use TradingView. I want to use TradingView to analyze because it looks cooler, and then go to MT5, execute, set my stop loss, boom, go back to TradingView, enter my positions, whatever the two, and then set it where it needs to be. And bro, like just stay locked in, bro. Like future me, this is the beginning of everything, bro. Honestly, like I honestly feel like this is where the real work starts now. Let's keep this funded account. Grow capital, buy another funded account. Buy a local South African broker account. I mean a funded account. Pass that one, and then eventually, now I got two jobs, 3 jobs actually. The main job and these 2 side hustles, where I'm trading on both, or I trade the one, take a break, trade this one, take a break, or whatever the case is, or trade both at the same time. I don't know how that will work, but I'll just see how it is. Or I can just buy it and then trade it. This week trade this one, that week trade this one, maybe this day, and then just grow both accounts. So I get payouts from both. So I know, okay, with the local one, I'm gonna get paid probably tonight or tomorrow. With this one, it's a month end thing. So now I'm getting 2 salaries month end, and I'm getting the side money coming through every day or every other week or every other day. And ultimately that's the next step now. And then all the profits that I'm making, I'm putting it into my savings for my live account, which I'm gonna start trading in April. Or if I get that goal of trading that, of getting that capital saved up, then I will start trading that one as well. I won't have to wait for April, because eventually I just wanted to target April because I wanted to save capital to the side. But with my own salary, I'm still putting money into that account. I'm still saving that money. I'm still building my capital so I could risk a bit more to earn a bit more. You understand? Higher risk, higher reward, and that's like the goal now. So, but one step at a time. The first step was to pass the account. I passed the account. Now it's time to grow the account, treat it like a salary. Then once I get my first payout, I'll go buy the second one, and then trade both while I'm still saving capital. All the profits I'm making, obviously I'm gonna like take care of a little bit of things here and there. Maybe it's like spoil myself and my brother, just a little bit, just a tad bit, you know, just to feel like, okay, this was a good month, this is a good year, the year ended off great, and we just take it from there. So right now, that's the goal. And when I get back to the spot, like you guys already know, I'm gonna get back to the spot and then I'm gonna break down the trades for you. But I gotta go now. Much love and peace, man.
Yo. recording. Yeah, welcome. It's the next day, Saturday. Yeah, I was hella tired yesterday. I won't lie. I wanted to record yesterday, but I was just hella tired, bro. I'm still hella tired. It was the longest week, but we killed it nonetheless. Yeah, yesterday was the biggest trading day this week. Made $225, which ultimately, like I said, passed my account. So I'm just gonna take you out to the trade that I took. I realized when I got home yesterday that I could have essentially just taken this trade from like here, bro. I actually could have just taken it from here, you know, and just held it. But then again, when it got to these key levels, I don't know what it was gonna do. So I guess it's also good to learn how to take profits. So I just took what the market gave me, and then I'll look for another setup the next day if there was any. I'm sorry, this one's gonna die, so I just want to record this and get it out the way so I can edit and upload, and then take the weekend off, you know. So yesterday, I opened the charts, so I saw, okay, this is the trade we took that Thursday, which is the biggest trading day we had when I hit these key levels here. And then price gave us that push up, lower high, and dropped. Like, okay, so I wanted to see what it was going to do during market open, because I guess it's at a very strong level of support and didn't want to break it. So like, okay, what does price want to do? So come session, price, I think waiting for session is really better. I'd rather wait for session than anything, because that volume could just kick price in any direction it wants to go in. So I saw that, okay, move down, move up, that's a low. Moved up, here's a move up, move down, there's a high. Price got here around 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. It started pushing, okay? It didn't want to break up above this level. And then same thing here. It started spiking up. I'm like, okay, let's just see what it does. How does it close when if it closes like strongly above this swing high, then I know that, okay, price is bullish now. It got the momentum to bounce off these buyers, and then yeah, but then it didn't. It spiked a bit, and then once I saw it close like around 11 I entered the trade, because I'm like, okay, clearly price doesn't want to move up from this level. It's stuck here. It still wants to continue being bearish. Then I entered off of this candle, set my stop loss somewhere. This was a bit too much risk, so I scaled it down on a 15-minute. I saw like a lower high that I didn't want it to break. I don't know if I could find it here. Okay, on trading view, on MT5, this was the lower high actually. So I just set it there, and then I let price do its thing, and then yeah, price ultimately shut the bed. I think I closed around somewhere here, like around 1 p.m. Because I saw that I passed my funded account already. The balance was at that 5.5 mark, so it was actually like 5.49. I'm like, hey, okay, let me let it get to like, let me get that extra dollar in. And then yeah, I think I closed on 501, because I wanted actually close. It was 502, but I wanted to get like a bit above, because what if prices dropped and the thingy didn't execute, the closure, the MT5 didn't execute as fast as I wanted to, so I would have been like $1 short. So I was like, nah, okay, let me wait. So yeah, that was a German 30 trade. And then we go to the German 30, so it didn't hit my TP, started reversing. But reversing, okay, it just made a level of buyers, which is like very strong here. Yeah, made a level of buyers here, so I thought it was gonna go hit this level, but clearly just wanted to reverse. So as you can see, price, let me use the rectangle actually. I always mark it off of the wick just in case. think yellow's fine. I keep changing the color of these boxes. I don't know which color I want to go with, but I think I'll go with yellow. Yeah, so price shouldn't, oh, there's buyers here, so we'll just see. So it moved up, moved down, gave us a lower high, but then it was supposed to continue pushing down, but it didn't, and then just started reversing. So I was like, okay, clearly price wants to become bullish now. But if it hits this level of sellers again and closes with a equal high, then you could just take price back down again to this level and then target this level. So yeah, I mean, it wasn't just gonna sell off the whole day. It had to eventually just move up and move down. But then again, okay, let's go check UK 100. UK 100 gave me the same setup, equal highs, then it pushed up again, made buyers here. Then it didn't want to push up above this level. So once I saw that this candle closed around 9, I entered this one around 10 o'clock. Yeah, around 10, yeah, around 10 o'clock. Set my stop loss just above, because sometimes this thing can just wick and then stop me out, and then eventually just, yeah, invalidate, just stop me out for no reason. So I'm trying to make sure that going forward I set my stops just above, so even if it tries to wick, it won't stop me out and just take my money for no reason. Then I gotta like make it back and then some, you know. So yeah, this is a traders on TP. Okay, I also closed earlier, I think somewhere here. I didn't hit the TP, but then like I said, when my balance was there to pass the account, I just closed. So yeah, same thing. It was bearish, move up, move down, lower high, move up, move down, lower high, because one's lower than this one, push down, new low, came back above, equal high as this one. We could get rid of this one actually. Yeah, I mean, it closed above it, so yeah, price seems to be bullish now, wants to reverse, but didn't close above this one, so I'll get rid of this one. It's fine. And then yeah, I just go based off current structure. I don't go too far back. Like I said, you don't need so many sessions. You just need to see what current price is doing now, because whatever happened that time happened that time. You just gotta be able to see what price is telling you right now in real time. You don't need to go so far back, and I'm seeing that now. So yeah, then yeah, hit my TP, bro. So ready for that lower high. Didn't want to go above this level. Also spiked a bit. Just catching people out. Wanted to on the 15-minute, and yeah, just sold off. Same setup, same mechanical setup that I've been trading this whole week. Really nothing else much to it, bro. Like, it's just simple. Like, this is a mechanical way. This is the way that these professional traders talk about. Like, just wait for your setup. You just treat it like trade robotically, and everything will be fine. Like, you won't get stopped out as much. Your win rate will go up. You preserve more of your capital. So when opportunities do present themselves, you'll be able to execute on them. And that's what I realized last week. Like, risking like properly, because last week price was just ranging for most of the week, so this week I feel like it needed to move, and you will get these setups every week, but I'm just glad that I was able to even preserve my capital, not blow my funded account, and be able to execute on this, bro. Be able to execute on this. Check on I normally say in the 1 hour, but for our 1 hour, same thing. 15 minutes if I want to look for a better risk to reward, more than anything. I probably even use the 5-minute anymore. Might not, but I'll just keep it for now and see. And then yeah, bro, that's ultimately it. Now I'm just waiting for the verification process to be done, sign my trader agreement, and yeah, start trading and keep doing the same mechanical setup. Do the same mechanical trading that I've been doing this week. And yeah, like I said, I just gotta thank God, bro. Like, I've been praying for this. Now it's like, okay, I know what I'm doing, and I can reprice. I know what I'm doing. Like, yo, it just feels so good to say that. Like, I know it's in my heart that, yeah, I know what I'm doing now. And I've got a skill that, and I wanted to learn a new skill this year, and I said so, and here it is. So, been saying that, but yeah, God's timing is perfect, bro. Because had I started last year, I probably wouldn't have had Sai's explanation on how to trade ICC and all that. Wouldn't have refined it. I also want to thank him as well. Probably not see this, but I'm gonna make sure he sees this. When he's like in Monaco, or whatever, I just put up like, yo, bro, I'm one of your students. Like not long ago, I was working in 9 to 5. Came across your videos, watched it the first time. I didn't even get through it the first time, to be honest. Because I found you on Instagram or YouTube where you're talking about how you made 11 million. I'm like, nah, there's no way. And then just came across the videos, just searched on YouTube. I'm like, okay, simple price action. Started watching it, but I already had a strategy at that time, and I was like, nah, I want to keep it complicated because I want to seem like I know what I'm doing, you know. Not that he doesn't know what he's doing, but I want to, I don't know why. I just felt like, nah, I want the harder one, but pause. And then yeah, it's ultimately changed. I'm like, no, this shit's too much, bro. Like, let me watch his videos. Then I watched it. Then I got to the second video the first time. Then I left it. Then I watched it through in time. I'm like, damn, this is actually more simple. Like, fuck this strategy I was using. Let me use this one. And yeah, I just been grinding it out. Watched it like 3 times over. Watched all your videos, even the ones he unlisted. And then yeah, now I'm here, bro. Taking care of my family, traveling. There she is, and brother. He also trades as well. Put him on. I'm just taking care of our family, taking care of each other, living life. Out here in Monaco, watching the F1, just some light things. Yeah, bro. Everything seems possible, and everything is possible through God and through Him, man, and through me for staying dedicated. So I also gotta give myself props. I stayed dedicated, changed my whole life. I did that. God helped me, showed me, and you know what? I can do this. And I did it. And I'm still doing it. So anyway, that's it, man. Yeah. Saturday, taking time off the charts, bro. I was back testing, but I was like, it's cool now. I'll just see what price does in the next week. Hopefully these niggas can give me my contract, bro. I ain't trying to miss price action this week. God damn.